Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fake cigarette in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create the cigarette, I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing right now. So to create this cigarette, you can choose this earring. This is the earring from the Valentine update. If you don't know where it is, you can go to this area and then you're going to select this earring and color it white. And then I'm going to show you the adjustment to create the cigarette. Okay, you can copy my adjustment. This is for the position and rotate and then the scale. Okay, and to create the smoke, you can use this hairstyle, but you can change the toggle. You can choose only bangs. Okay, and then you're going to color it gray. And for the adjustment, you can set it like this for the scale, the rotate, and you can position it like this. And then you can create this fake cigarette effect in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create fake cigarette in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.